Brabus 700 in Aston Martin color, Magneto Bronze. Actually looks great. Brabus masterpiece. Oh yeah, I forgot. It has the Ferrari thing. This, of course. Stunning. And of course, it's already sold. It took an afternoon and it's sold in Monte Carlo. Complete leather everywhere, including floor. Incredible. So this is pure Geneva feeling. Brabus is here again with complete leather. Brabus masterpiece by Konstantin Buschmann. The Aston Martin colored Range Rover looks actually stunning. This is my type of Range Rover. Brabus 700. Now in brown. Actually looks great. Finally a super nice spec Brabus Range Rover, not in black, but yeah, I would say light brown, not dark brown. Wow, lovely. How is the interior to look? Wow. And leather everywhere, even the floors. See? And it's Konstantin Buschmann Brabus masterpiece. Absolutely lovely. Leather everywhere, even the floor, because it's a masterpiece. Really great spec. This is a Range Rover I could get. I wouldn't say no to this. Brabus 700. P615. Oh, it's not the petrol version. And a price of 520 euros. 520,000 euros. Not that bad. Wow, look how it shimmers in the sun. The Brabus 700 light brown. It's really sparkly, see here. And we do have complete leather everywhere. It's a Brabus masterpiece. So it's leather everywhere. Brabus masterpiece. Even leather on the floor, under the floor mats. Incredible. So this is a perfect Monaco Range Rover. Even here is leather. Brabus masterpiece. Nice work.